Okay, y'all, so this video is going to show you what to do with this page that you've seen in your study book, okay? So pause the video, make sure you get all of these things cut out, all right? And when you do, hit play and then come back and you should have your page looking like this, right? So notice that I put the title at the top, I put the information box next, and then I took the 3 to the 5th power and I put the base, because remember the base is the big number, the exponent is the tiny number, to the top, all right? So the first thing that I want you to do is fill in your notes, right? Exponents are a way to show repeated multiplication of a single number, okay? Repeated multiplication. The base is the number multiplied, and the exponent is how many times the base is multiplied by itself. Confusing? Maybe, but remember, 3 to the 5th is really going to be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, right? So, sorry, I bet you couldn't see that, right? 5 3s. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. Then times 3 again is 243. And it wouldn't be a bad idea for you guys to write that in your notes. Now, the next thing that you have are these little pieces, okay? Now, the way that you're going to fold these is by flipping them over like this, okay? I'm going to do everything I can to make this pretty. Then you're going to turn the long flap. See, notice how there's no words written right there. In, and then the ones with the words on the top, like that, okay? I'm going to do that again. Here's one like this. I flip it over so that it's the blank side, okay? But I do want the numbers on the top, okay? Notice how I can see through that that's got the 8 by 8 by 8 there. I take this side and flip it in. I take this side and then I flip it down, right? So then you're gonna have 4 of these that you can glue in with the back side down, all right? So what it wants you to do for these is on one side, okay, when I first flip it open, I'm gonna write it in expanded form. 2 to the 6th power. Well, that's really, I don't have enough hands. Let's see if I can. All right, so that's really going to be 2 by 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2, 6. Then on the inside, I solve. Well, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2, maybe I don't know that, so I write it down. 16 by 2, 12, carry the 1, 32. Then by 2 again is 64. So then I open the flap, and that time I write 64 on the inside. So notice that what I did was I have my problem on the outside. I open it up, it's an expanded form. Then the final answer is on the inside. Okay? Now, let's do one like this. You've got 8 by 8 by 8 by 8. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4 8s. So on the first flap, I'm just going to write 8 to the 4th power, right? Then on the inside, I would have to actually solve it. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. 6 times 8 is 48. Plus 3 is 51. Oops, sorry, friends. So the inside flap is going to have 512. And then obviously, these are supposed to be taped down, right? So you could tape it like this if you wanted to, so that then they just still fold like this, but they stay in place. Okay, now, so I've done the first two with you. Try the last two on your own. See if you can get them right. You're more than welcome to send me your answers. Thanks, friends.